and RMs. The RMs they are males, and Iwis they are females, then males they are berries. You see, you can hear the baboons. So the baboons now alerting the impalas. Gentlemen, we are seeing something of danger. Run away. Yes. So normally for the impalas, you can see there will be one dominant male that will be in control of the whole females. Of the whole group, as you can see now, there is only one male among us the females, imagine. So if another dominant males or another energetic bulls they comes in, they will fight with that adult female bull, adult male bull, sorry. So after fighting with that adult bull, definitely if that bull gets overpowered, it will quit it from that group, and then the young ones will take in charge of the group. Same applies like for the kudus, the impalas. You can see it's white just under the belly, and also there's a white part at the end of the tail.